Okay, let's get in a view on the markets from Vijay Bhambani, who is the author and CEO of BSPLindia.com. Good morning, Vijay. What is the range that you're mapping for the Nifty currently?
Where the Nifty outlook is concerned, yesterday we saw a close above the 6050 levels, which is a positive trigger for the bulls. And it is critical that the Nifty spot intraday today trade above the 6050 levels because it is a bullish pivot for the day today. And above this, the primary target will be 6085 and the secondary target will be 6100. On the flip side, the bearish pivot, which is at 6035 levels, if the Nifty spot is trading continuously below this mark, the primary target will be 6020 and the secondary target will be 5990 levels.
Vijay, tell us, what did you make of the spurt that we had in telecom names towards closing yesterday? Do you think one can take fresh positions in a Bharti or an Idea?
In the telecom space, Bharti has shown a good move with higher volumes, and it's closed at its highest after March 3, 2012, which is a sign of overall strength in the counter. And my guess is any decline to the 343, 345 band will get bought into, and buying on lower levels is suggested with the next couple of days in mind. Idea Cellular, on the other hand, is also very bullish because it's trading above February 2008 levels. But on the absolute short-term charts, it's looking a tad overbought. And relatively speaking, I think Bharti presents a better opportunity in the coming few trading sessions. And Idea Cellular may in the near term test the 115 levels, where it's a better buy as compared to the present levels.
What's your thoughts on Hexaware as an Amtech Auto?
Hexaware is showing a rounding bottom formation and attempting to basically rally from here. And the 50-day moving average is at 96.5, which will act as a near-term resistance on the upside on an intraday basis. Only a clear breakout above the 96.5 levels on higher volumes will indicate a fresh rally occurring from here. I'm optimistic on the counter and suggest holding on to long positions, if any. Amtech Auto is likely to have resistance at 78 levels, which will be the near-term floor support. And for any rally to sustain, in case of any decline, the 78 level must hold for any upthrust to basically ensue from here. I think existing long positions may be held on to even in Amtech Auto.
And what are the two specific trades you recommend for today?
Where individual stock trading ideas are concerned, I would want to buy Reliance Communications at 85.5. I would hold these long positions with a stop loss at 84.5 and expect to book profits at 87 or end of the session, whichever comes first. My second trade would be a buy again, this time on Axis Bank, which I would want to buy on a slight pullback to 1,420 levels. I would hold these long positions with a stop loss at 1,406, and I would expect to book profits at 1,438 or end the session, whichever comes first.